welcome to another video. Today I decided to pick up my camera and vlog. I'm here with Jamil.
Hi.
we just finished pumping gas, so we're heading out for breakfast at Egg Slut, one of our favorite breakfast spots in LA. There's actually several throughout LA, but we're going to the one in the Glendale, Burbank area. So we're heading there right now, and we're gonna go to the Little Tokyo district in downtown LA. It's really hot today, so we'll see how long we're gonna last out there, because I have no patience when I'm in this heat and my makeup's already melting off. So yeah, we're gonna head out right now. That's it. Alright, so we just arrived. Got my mask on. There's a nice little park outside, so we might eat out there if they don't have any outdoor dining. We'll see. We can't sit on the benches, the picnic benches, so we're just sitting here by a huge tree.
Oh, they even divided it. That's nice.
Nice.
I don't know which is which.
Oh, once you see the bacon, you know. Which one did you get?
I got the Fairfax.
Oh, it's like scrambled eggs, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's just scrambled egg, cheese, and chives.
I got the bacon, egg, and cheese.
And the last one I got was So I just got the 8-ounce because I didn't need that much.
Oh, she didn't ask me, so I guess it comes in one size.
Maybe because it's a latte.
It's so hot.
Oh, it's good.
Is it?
My little itty bitty 8-ounce cup.
All right, you guys, if you have been following me for a while, in my favorites video, I don't remember which one, I mentioned Blue Bottle coffee. I'm finally trying the coffee from the actual cafe. I've only purchased the beans, and yeah, I'm gonna try it right now. I got the oat milk latte.
Straight from the tap.
It tastes just like at home. I swear. I'm not joking.
We came all the way out here to get coffee.
To have the same coffee that we have at home.
You know what? It's good.
It's
good.
really good.
Very nutty.
Oh, the oat milk is just so creamy. Ooh, tiny little cup. It's perfect. Alright, so we're going to LA. I mean, Little Tokyo?
Going to
Little Tokyo. Okay.
I'm hoping that the bookstore is open, because I really want to kind of just browse around and see the books that they have, and maybe check out the stationery.
Stationery, okay. Okay, so let's just go. I hope. Hello, can you please look at... Oh, Lord. Hi, Oolong. Ah, he actually looked at the camera. Oolong. Oolong, look up here. You're actually looking at the camera. You know how rare that is? Alright guys, so we made it back home. It started to get pretty crowded and more businesses started opening up, and yeah, we just got home and I want to show you guys what I bought from one of the gift stores that we stopped by. Mostly like stoneware. I said I was going to downsize the amount of dishes that we have, but I couldn't resist, and these are actually made in Japan. Let me see, and they're really pretty. Let me show you.
They were very nice, the ladies there.
Yeah. So I got this little bowl, but I think this is for matcha. I'm gonna use it for matcha and to eat like salads or rice. And then I got this other one. These are all handmade. And I got these little dishes. I don't know what they're for. I'm assuming it's for like soy sauce or ginger or just little condiments, but since I'm cooking a lot more, I wanted to buy these so I can put like ingredients on them. Wait, is there another one?
It was the two little
I didn't get two. Oh, I got two?
Yeah, it was two of the little bowls.
Oh, I got two of these. I totally forgot.
Yeah, and then there was the matcha bowl, and then there's three of these actually.
Three. There. This one's probably my favorite.
The matcha bowl?
Yeah, because of this little specks.
Mm-hmm.
It looks really nice. So yeah, these are all imported. And they look very pretty.
Mm-hmm.
Picked up a Animal Crossing sticker book. It has over 800 stickers, and it's kind of like an album. Let me see.
It's a sticker book and a little activity book as well.
Oh, look, it has all the flowers.
Mm-hmm.
That's really cute. Look at the fruits. I thought it was just stickers. Look at that.
It's a ton of stickers.
That's a lot of characters. Look at the bugs. Ah, that's so cute. And Jamil picked up a book.
Yes.
Jim Henson's, which is this one? Shadow of the Dark Crystal? Oh, it's not Jim Henson. It's J.M. Lee. So, yeah, that's all we did. And we ate. We brought some bakery items, and that's it. Alright, guys. Let me know what you think of this style of vlogging. If you guys prefer just the daily vlogging or weekly vlogging, let me know. I feel like these are a little more like short and sweet, and I kind of like it because it takes off the pressure from editing so much footage. So yeah, let me know what you guys think, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.